Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Vellore location. Let us see what are the job openings available one by one. Let us discuss in detail.
Attention please. Do not pay money for any kind of job.
Firstly, there is a job openings for Junior Drafting Officer overseas for the TNRDD recruitment under the organization. You can check with the given website address link for the application and further process. Last date to apply for this job is January 8th, 2021, and qualification if you see BE or diploma or BTech, and this is for freshers. Number of openings available are 16, and this is a government job notification, and you can see job location is Vellore, and the selection will be based on written test or interview, and there is two website address links provided to download the application to apply for the same. The website addresses are www.ncs.gov.in, and one more is www.vellore.nic.in, and salary offered 35,400 to 1,12,400 per month. So that's it in this notification, guys. If you have any questions or queries, if you face any problem, let me know in comments. I will be replying for that. Next, there is a job openings for AJ Automobiles. They are looking for spares in charge position. Salary offered up to 7,000 a month. You can find basic information about the company here. You can check with that, and you should have a two-way should have a basic computer skills, and both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role. And if you have a spare parts experience, two-wheeler spare parts experience, that will be considered as well. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9003844983. Next, there is a job openings for Wonderworth Solutions Private Limited. They are looking for medical billing associate, that is charges entry. Should have a 6 months to 1 year of experience in medical billing is required, and you should be able to understand client requirements and specifications of the project, and you should be able to work accordingly as well, and you should be able to maintain the targets within a assigned time. So this will be the job description details. You can check with the given number for further information. Contact number is 9042099690. Next, there is a job openings for Next Step Academy. They are looking for field officer position. You can check with the description details here. Like you should be able to source biomaterials goods like that. You can check with the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 7338848896. Next, there is a job openings for payment posting medical billing associate position for the organization Wonderworth Solutions Private Limited. Should have 1 year of experience in payment posting department, and you should have a knowledge of insurance to identify PR, non-PR, WC, MVA, etc. So there is a basic information about description details here of the job here. You can check with that, and you should be able to understand medical billing concepts and terminologies as well, and you should have a knowledge of billing software also. So you can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9042099690, and both male and female candidates are eligible for this job role, and salary details are not disclosed. You can check with the given contact number for further information. Next, there is a job openings for Ganadipati Tulsis Jain Engineering College. They are looking for professors, associate professors, and assistant professors positions for the departments civil engineering. computer science and engineering, electronics and communication engineering departments. For the subjects embedded systems, VLSI design, communications and networking. And also they have vacancies for the departments electrical and electronics engineering, mechanical engineering, information technology department, master of computer applications department, master of business administration department. For all these departments they have vacancies for professors, associate professors, assistant professors positions. For professor, qualification is PhD and minimum 10 years of experience in teaching or industry or research. And for associate professor, should have a PhD or ME or MCA or MBA with minimum 7 years of experience in teaching or industry or research. For assistant professor position, they should have a like qualification ME or MTech or MCA, MBA in relevant discipline. So these are all the qualification details provided, and salary is provided as per AICTE norms, and higher salary will be considered as per your qualifications and experience also. You can share your resume at the provided email id. Email id is principal@gtec.ac.in. Next, there is a job openings for Solitaire Infotech Solution. They are looking for 3D visualizer or 3D designer. Salary offered 1.3 lakhs to 3.6 lakhs a year. So there is a basic information and basic description about the job role, and you can check with that. And you should have a knowledge of 3D residential, commercial interiors and exteriors, and you should be will be willing to work with architects and developers. So there is basic job description details. You can check with that. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 8791852357. Next, there is a job openings for CAD Center, Katpadi, Tamil Nadu. They are looking for front office executive and student academic counselor. Only female candidate is eligible for this job role. Salary offered up to 12,000 a month. You can check the roles and responsibilities of the job role. There is a clearly provided the information. You can check with that. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 7200007091, and these positions are only for female candidate. Next, there is a job openings for iSkill Solutions. They are looking for medical coding executives for the subjects zoology, advanced zoology, microbiology, and MLT freshers. So all these qualifications are eligible. You can contact on the given phone number for further information, and salary offered minimum 14,500 to up to 17,000 a month. And there is an option for work from home job, and this is for freshers. And you can check there is a basic information about the job role as well. You can check with that. So contact number is 9087738811. So this position is both male and female candidates are eligible for this job role. You can check with the given phone number for further information. Next, there is a job openings for Venpare Academy Vellore. They are looking for counselor position. Salary offered minimum 10,286 to 19,945 a month. Should you have a experience in as a counselor at any educational institution, and should have excellent communication skills. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 7708664333, and this position is for both male and female candidates are eligible. Next, there is a job openings for Square Networks Solutions Private Limited. They are looking for front office executive position. Qualification is any degree, and salary offered up to 10,000 a month. You should have a knowledge of MS Office, MS Word, MS Excel, and Outlook. Should have a knowledge of system. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9500017427. Next, there is a job openings for Apollo Computer Education. They are looking for front office administrator. Salary offered minimum 8,000 to up to 12,000 a month based upon your experience and skill set. Should have a knowledge of typing, and should have a strong software competency skills. should have a knowledge like organizational and time management skills. Excellent interpersonal skills are required, and you should able to uh, make a calls and should able to handle inbound calls and should able to follow up with customers. So you should have a good presentation and convincing skills. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 9791571125 and 9894243900, and you should able to speak the Tamil language. This is mandatory, and you can check with the given phone numbers for further information. As there is no update, both male and female candidates are eligible for this job role. Next, there is a job openings for Morgan Aries. They are looking for relationship officer for reputed bank. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. You can check with the roles and responsibilities and key skills required for this job role. You can check with that. You should have a good communication skills, and you should have a sales skills, and you should have knowledge of banking and financial services, insurance sale, and credit card sale, like that. You should have a sales experience in relevant field also. Salary offered 2.25 lakhs to 2.5 lakhs a year. You can check with the other details here, and you can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9778232504, and both male and female candidates are eligible for this. Next, there is a job openings for Sri HR and Integrated Services. They are looking for sales officer for life insurance department. Salary offered 2 lakhs to 2.5 lakhs a year. Qualification, if you see, should be a graduate, and that is mandatory, and should have minimum 1 to 2 years of experience in life insurance selling or cross selling experience, and that is also mandatory. You should have a good communication and presentation skills, and you should have a two-wheeler with a driving license as well. So this will be only for male candidates. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9443995156. Next, there is a job openings for Next Step Academy. They are looking for telecalling officer. Salary offered up to 10,000 per month. You should have a the skill set provided here. You should have knowledge of like experience as a telemarketer or similar sales or customer service role experience. You should able to meet sales quotes preferably over the telephone, and you should have knowledge of computer programs, CRM software, and telephone systems like that. You should have a good communication and presentation skills as well, and you should have a good English communication skills. So you should be a graduate also. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 7338848896, and both male and female candidates are eligible for this job role. You can check with the given phone number for further information. Next, there is a job openings for Fashion Home. They are looking for sales executive position. Salary offered up to 10,000 a month. You can see there is a basic information about the company, and they have several locations like Veluru, Ranipet, Gudiyatam, like some other locations. So you should be able to travel around these places to work for this job as sales executive, and you should be able to speak in Tamil, that is mandatory. You should have a good communication skills, and fluency in English language is added bonus. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9791622207. Next, there is a job openings for Questcorp Limited. They are looking for sales executive. Salary offered up to 20,000 a month, and the job locations they provided here: Ranipet, some other locations: Pondicherry, Kadalur, Hosur, Krishnagiri. Should be any degree holder or diploma holder. Salary offered up to 20,000 per month along with incentives. Should have a minimum 1 year of experience in sales. Age limit is should be below or up to 35 years of age will be considered. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9385383239. Next, there is a job openings for Redback IT Solutions Private Limited. They are looking for graphics designer position. You can check with the job duties and skills required for this job role. You can check with that. You should be able to come up with innovative and unique designs and should have a knowledge of creative campaign ideas. Like that, they have given several skill set and duties provided here for this job role, and salary details not disclosed for this job role. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 8189985553. Next, there is a job openings for Unmarkven Technologies India Private Limited. They are looking for tele-sales executive. Salary offered 1.2 lakhs a year. Qualification if you see should be a graduate, undergraduate or postgraduate. And this is like a voice process job role. You should have able to communicate in English language and Telugu, Tamil, Kannada and Urdu. So all these languages added advantage. You should able to communicate in English. Decent English communication skills are required along with any of the regional language like Tamil, Telugu, Kannada and Urdu. And you can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9597519883, and there is also address details provided here. You can check with that. Next, there is a job openings for global talent pool. They are looking for SAS administrator. Should have a minimum 6 to 8 years of experience. Salary details not disclosed. Qualification if you see should be a BE or BTech graduate, and skill set required is should have a knowledge of SQL programming, business intelligence, microstrategy, data warehouse, and should have knowledge of implementation, Unix shell scripting. You can contact on the given phone number or email ID for further information. There is also address details provided here. You can check with that. Contact number is 9164401111. Email ID is mukul.gtp@gmail.com. Next, there is a job openings for dentistry. They are looking for resident dental surgeon. Salary offered up to 12,000 a month. Qualification should be a BDS graduate and minimum 2 years of clinical experience is required. And there will be some benefits also. You can check with the other details here clearly provided. Training will be provided for selected candidates, suitable candidates for in Chennai location for around 1 week, and comfortable timings will be assigned like day shift 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. and Sunday will be holiday given as a holiday. So incentives based performance will be there. Incentives will be offered based upon your performance, and monthly internal CDE updates will be there. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9944631446. That's it in this video guys. I'll be coming up with more updated job openings for Vellore location. I'll be releasing a new video as early as possible. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to encourage me to do more videos on job openings for Vellore location. Thank you so much for your love and support guys. Have a great day.